So it's the end of January 2025. What trends are we seeing in the Dublin residential market? Well, it's still very much a seller's market. Last year, our average selling prices were 8% over asking, with an average selling price of €608,000. 74% of our listings were agreed above asking. So why did that happen? Quite simply, supply is not meeting demand, and demand is very robust with a strong economy, full employment, and now falling interest rates. 82% of our buyers are owner-occupiers, and 66% of those buyers were first-time buyers with an average buyer age of 44. That average buyer age keeps getting higher year on year. 56% of our buyers were buying with cash funds, most of them leveraging sales from the sale of their existing property, from the sale of a business, or coming into inheritance. Only 18% of our buyers last year were investors. That's the lowest figure we've recorded in 17 years. So most of our buyers are owner-occupiers, and most of our sellers are landlords exiting the market. The amount of available rental stock in Dublin continues to deplete. Despite that, rents in our key markets only increased 1.2% last year. That's the lowest figure we've recorded in 10 years. So why that happened? It was extra supply from the build-to-rent sector, which had a big impact on the market in central Dublin, Dublin Docklands, and also in South Dublin. So that gives an insight into what could happen with rents if we can build enough rental developments across Dublin. 43% of our tenants are working in the technology sector. That's down from the 49% we recorded in 2023, and well down on the figure of 60% we recorded in 2022. So hybrid working and a slowdown in the multinational sector continues to have an impact on the Dublin residential rental market. In terms of our outlook for 2025, look, we think property values will increase this year, probably in the region of 4 to 5%. I'd be cautious with that prediction. This time last year, I thought values would only increase 1 or 2%, and I got it wrong, and I certainly hope I'm wrong this year. But look, time will tell, but as long as supply stays as low as it is and demand stays robust as it has been, values can only go one way, unfortunately, in the short term. So please check out our full report in the link, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me.